Hi everyone, these transcripts are from Water School on Coursera. So I'll just read. Let's go now and talk about growth. So in general, from a business point of view, growth is a pretty essential idea. You hope your business grows over time in some fashion. Growth, growing customers, growing the amount of products that you produce, etc. So as you would like to think about some models, they are purposely constructed to help us understand and capture growth processes. And so example that I say here could be the number of customers that you have at time t. T is going to change as we'll go into the future. Hopefully, the number of customer changes. It might be the revenue of your company in particular quarter, call a quarter Q. And as we go forward, as time goes forward, your subsequent quarters, you'll be interested in your revenue growth. It might be how an investment is growing over time. You have money, you choose to invest it. How is that investment growing? You're planning for retirement, for example. So hopefully your retirement savings is growing. We want to have models for growth. Now it's possible that a linear model could be helpful for growth. There is no reason why something couldn't grow in linear fashion, but there are some alternatives to linear models for growth processes. Now I would call a linear model an additive one because we are adding on the same amount of the output for each one unit increment in the input or the x value. So they are now additive, now an alternative for things growing in an additive fashion. When we add an absolute amount in each time period is a proportionate one, and a proportional increase, I really mean a percent increase. So from each period we don't go by an absolute amount, so we go up by a proportional amount. So I might say every year our savings grow by 5%, not by 5,000 or 5,000 rupees, but rather by 5% in terms of a salary. You might want to describe your salary change not in an absolute sense. My salary went by $1,000, but in a percent way. For example, my salary went by 3% this year, and so we often think about changes in terms of percentages, and we change by a constant percent increase from one period to another. Then from now I'll call that proportional growth, and that's to be a contrasted to additive growth, so as to compare the two sorts of growth processes, a linear versus a proportional one. I'm going to talk about interest for a little while. So thanks for watching, guys.